I'm going to walk you through the full Merwave routine, step by step, explaining not just what to do, but why it works. We're starting with step 1, cleanse shampoo. First things first, your hair needs to be soaking wet. This is so important. Wavy hair routines rely on water as the foundation. It helps distribute product evenly and encourage your natural wave pattern to form. Apply your shampoo and use your fingertips to gently massage it into your scalp. Don't scrub aggressively. Now you might notice that it won't massively foam, and that is intentional. Our shampoo is sulfate-free, which means it doesn't contain harsh foaming agents. Traditional sulfates can strip your natural oils, dry out your hair, disrupt your wave pattern, and increase frizz over time. So while big foam might feel clean, it often leaves your hair worse off. This is a gentle cleanse that protects your natural wavy texture. Once you've worked it through, rinse it off thoroughly. Next, we go in with repair conditioner. And this is where a lot of people underdo it. Don't be shy with step 2 conditioner. Your hair should be fully saturated. Work it through mid-lengths to ends and then start detangling. This is a non-negotiable step. You should be able to run your fingers through your hair easily, feel zero resistance, and see your hair looking smooth and the waves clumping together. The goal is for your hair to look and feel like slippery seaweed. That's when you know it's properly hydrated. Detangling at this stage prevents breakage, encourages wave clumping, and sets the foundation for definition later. Once fully detangled, rinse it out. When you step out of the shower, your hair should still be dripping wet. This is a big mistake people often make. Water helps evenly distribute products, encouraging the natural wave formation. Think of water as your styling base layer. Now we go in with step 3, wave cream. Take a small amount and smooth it through your mid-lengths and ends. This is where we can start to awaken your natural texture. Our wave cream is designed to be super lightweight, hydrating without heaviness, with a soft hold and not crunchy. Key ingredients include prakakshi oil, which smooths frizz and adds slip, and flaxseed extract, which enhances natural wave definition. What you won't get is greasiness, crunchiness, or that coated, heavy feeling. Because again, waves need lightweight products. Too heavy and you'll completely lose your wave pattern. Next up, step 4, cast foam. This is where your waves really start to take shape. The amount you use will vary depending on your hair, so start small and build up. Now we're going to scrunch. Take a section of your hair, cup it towards your scalp, and gently pulse. You should hear that squish sound. That's what you really want. It means your hair is hydrated, product is distributing evenly, and your waves are forming. Repeat this all over your hair. You can do this upright for more control or upside down, giving more volume at the root. Our foam is designed to add structure without stiffness, boost volume, and enhance wave clumps. Again, lightweight is the key ingredient. Heavy mousses or creams will flatten your waves. This foam gives you hold without weight. Now we lock everything in with step 5, protect gel. Take a small amount, spread it across your hands, and repeat the scrunching process. This step seals in your wave pattern, reduces frizz, and creates a light cast to hold everything in place. Once dry, that cast can be gently broken, leaving soft, defined waves underneath. Think of it as your final hold layer. Now we move on to plopping. This is how we remove excess water without disrupting your waves. Take your microfiber wrap, flip your head upside down, place the button at the nape of your neck, gather your hair into the wrap, twist and secure. Leave it for about 20 minutes. Why microfiber? Because traditional cotton towels rough up the hair cuticle, cause friction, which leads to frizz. Microfiber is much more gentle. It absorbs water without disruption and helps maintain wave definition.
Here are my tips of how to diffuse wavy hair. So you can use any diffuser. You can either use a diffuser like this that is purely just a diffuser, or you can use a attachment that goes on a hairdryer like this. You can also get ones that are bigger, so depending on how long or thick your hair is, you can get a bigger attachment that just goes on any hairdryer, so it might suit your hair a bit more. I'm going to start with a technique called hover diffusing. This is where you hold the diffuser near your hair on a low heat and low speed setting. It's really important to remember that. So you're not actually touching the hair. This is going to set those waves in place that you've created with the steps 1 to 5. I'll show you how to do this. I recommend hover diffusing like this all over your hair until it's about 50 or 60% dry. That way you are reducing any movement to the hair which might cause frizz. You can put your head upside down. Same again, hover diffusing. It's personal preference. Now that a bit of the water has been taken out my hair and these waves are set in place by hover diffusing, I'm going to go in and it's called pixie diffusing, where you gently, I'll do it without switching the hairdryer on so you can hear me, cup sections of the hair into the bowl of the diffuser, leave it there for 10 to 15 seconds and then gently remove it. You can switch the power on and off as you move it up, keep it off, leave it on for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn the power off again to take it out. That way you will have your best chance of minimizing frizz. That's up to you if you want to do that. Again, you can do this with your head upside down or you can do it the right way up like I do. That's just personal preference, so I'll switch my hairdryer on and show you how this is done. By pixie diffusing like that, so when you're scooping it up and then taking it back out, you are going to get a tighter wave pattern in your hair because you're taking the gravity out the equation and the hair has more time to form into that shape. So if you like a tighter wave pattern, then you can do more pixie diffusing, where you scoop it up to support it and then gently release it. A cast forms when styling products dry around your waves. It locks in the shape, fights frizz and helps waves last for longer. If your wavy hair is feeling crunchy after styling, don't worry, that's actually a good thing. This means it's in a cast. A cast forms when the styling products have dried around your hair and it's going to lock in those wavy shapes. It's also going to fight frizz. So how do we get rid of this cast? Once your hair is 100% dry, you can either just scrunch up gently and it will break. Honestly, so easy to do. Or you can clap out the crunch. Just clap all the way through. And if you want an extra little bit of shine, what I would suggest is grabbing some wavy hair oil, putting a few drops in your hand, warm it up, and then just smooth it through. It smells amazing too. And that will just break the cast. But honestly, if you get a cast in your hair, don't be scared of it, embrace it, because it's just going to mean those waves are going to last longer.